Hello and welcome to Maximity's first 2-Minute Tuesday of 2023. My name is Bronya, Happy New Year, and this video will show you how you can evaluate formulas to see how they work. This tip will only work on the Windows version of Excel, so if you're using a Mac, I'm afraid you will not have this option. Why? Ask Apple, I have no idea. I have a simple age calculation which works out somebody's age by subtracting the year of today with the year from their date of birth, which is in the cell above. This is not a comprehensive age calculation, so it doesn't take into consideration what day or month they were born. This is a very simple version, just to demonstrate the evaluate formula option. A date of birth has been added and we can see that this person is 33 years old. But how did Excel come to that result? And if anything went wrong in that calculation, how would I know what part needs fixing? In the Formulas tab, there is an option called Evaluate Formula. With the cell containing the formula selected, click on Evaluate Formula. The pop-up box shows our formula in the evaluation box. Part of this formula is underlined. That means that when the formula calculates, the first thing it's going to do is whatever's underlined. In this case, it's going to find out what today's date is by running the today function. If I click on Evaluate, it shows us that today is day number 44,929. Check out the 2-Minute Tuesday video on dates to know more about how Excel stores dates. The next part to be underlined is the year function. It's going to calculate what year day 44,929 is in. When we press Evaluate, we can see it's 2023. The next part to be underlined is the reference to cell B1. So Excel is going to find what value is in that cell. So press Evaluate and we can see it's day 32,874. Again, the year function is going to run to find the year of that date, which is 1990. Finally, Excel will calculate what 2023 minus 1990 is, which leaves us with 33, which is their age. Next time you write or use a formula in Excel, check out Evaluate Formula to see how it's worked out. Please comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for videos you'd like to see.